It's not everyone's cup of tea to consume an entire podcast. That's why, welcome to The Ranveer Show's Highlights channel, TRS Clips. Subscribe and hit that bell icon.
Because they also don't know what their real selves are.
But you know what the strength of transgender people is? From the outside. And correct me if I'm wrong, but this is what I've observed. That you guys have a very 360-degree perspective on things. Because I feel everyone has a certain amount of masculine energy and a certain amount of feminine energy.
Yes.
And for cis males or cis females, the whole goal is, wait, I need to balance out the other half.
Yeah.
So you might have too much masculine energy and you might realize, oh wait, let's reduce the macho a little bit and increase the emotions.
Yeah.
And vice
We
versa.
all go through that.
But transgender people have like this nice 360-degree perspective.
I think queer people have that.
Yeah.
Is because we've been suppressed so much.
Explain this.
I think because we've not been allowed an equal playing ground.
Since you're a child.
Since we are within families also, na? We might be different. Like I keep telling people that I acknowledge my privilege. My privilege is that I am born to a family that loves me unconditionally and educated me. Those are my two privileges. Okay. So I'm not going to say that I'm privileged because this life that I choose to live is because I worked for it. My parents gave me the base, roti, kapda, makan. Uske baad they gave me education. After that, they said, now you do what you want. Okay, we're not going to interfere with whatever, but make sure that you're safe and you're not harming someone else. With that, I went into the world. So for me, I always thought that if I can't take this pedestal that I've been given, these are very basic things to someone who's like elitist and someone who's more privileged than me, and say that what privilege? Our privilege comes with its own this thing. No, but you have to acknowledge your privilege. Say you are, because if you're not going to, what is somebody who is a lower income group, someone who is, below BPL, for example, below poverty line? For that person, your life is aspirational. If you're going to unnecessarily say that I don't have privileges, for them, they automatically directly feel attacked. They're like, what are you talking? You do have privileges. Probably you've not understood them or you don't acknowledge them. I acknowledge my privilege. What is the downside of me being queer is that never stopped me, by the way, is that I knew I would go into a world where it was not an equal playing ground for me. I had to put my foot in the door and say, I exist. Give me a chance. My first audition, I didn't even enter the room and the casting director had told me, you're too gay for this advertisement. Wow. And it was a toothpaste ad. I said, but gay people also brush their teeth. What is too gay for a toothpaste? I said, हम लोग भी तो दांत घसते हैं. I'm like, क्या है? कौन बात करता है ऐसे? What do you mean you're too gay for this? So my thing is, and I have beautiful teeth. And a dimple. I'm like, are you crazy? Like, I used to feel like that much discrimination, that much stereotyping, that much negative emotions toward. I was like, where is it coming from? That means what conditioning have we given to the society and to the children, to our peers? That's when I realized that, I have to take this pedestal. I have to do more with my life, not for myself, but for that kid watching in some remote village that believes that they're not good enough and they're alone. You're not alone. No one's alone. For the longest time, I used to feel that I'm the only queer person, gay person in the entire city in Mumbai. And today when I see people, today you have the power of social media. Today you have, back then we didn't have phones that could connect us together. So, today when I say Gen Z is privileged, is because they have the power of speaking their minds. They have the power of creation. We didn't have that. We were boxed and said that अगर आप gay हो तो आप ये नहीं कर सकते. अगर आप transgender हो तो आपका काम है मांगना. इसके आगे अलावा आप सोचना भी मत. ये हमको बताया जाता था. People used to tell us to our face, अभी इससे ज़्यादा कौन insult कर सकता है आपको? At 16, I was told this. And the same casting director called me 5 years later when I was booking all the brands, whether it was coffee, whether it was tea, whether it was alcohol, it was clothes, it was toothpaste, it was cars. Even though I couldn't drive a car, I was selling it. Why? Because I believed in myself. I said, I am gay and I am beautiful and gay. And gay also means happy. And I'm happy with myself. I'm gay with myself. So you can't break me. And I will make sure you call me. I will work hard and I will come back. You can't tell me that I can't do it because I know I can. You know?
That's what needs to be out there.
Now he can't afford me only. Bichara. He called me also 6 months back for some campaign. I said अभी तो अब वो rates नहीं चलेंगे और मैं तो बहुत अब तो बहुत ही गे अब तो मैं ट्रांस हूँ. अब क्या कहोगे तुम? अब गे था अब तो ट्रांस है. हम तो then I said अब तो बहुत गे हैं. हम तो बहुत आपकी प्रोडक्ट शायद बिक नहीं पाएगी हमारी वजह से. You know, I'm like,
You know, this is the power of confidence combined with
Yeah.
hard work. And you know, just to any kid suffering in any form,
yes.
in any way. Doesn't even have to be queer kids. Even if you're just suffering out of a lack of confidence.
It's tough being a kid. I'll tell you that. It's tough being any kid. Kids are teased for their weight. Kids are teased for their eyesight. Kids are teased for being too intelligent. Kids are teased for everything. So my thing is, and where is it coming from? It's coming from bad parenting.
And insecurity.
Also because there are stereotypes that are attached to ज़्यादा मोटे मत होना, ज़्यादा दुबला मत होना, ज़्यादा ये का तुम चाय पियोगे तो काले हो जाओगे. What is this? ज़्यादा बाहर खेलने मत जाना. Our parents used to hit chappals and send us out to play. Like, go and play. Go out and play. Don't watch TV. Don't watch. Like, that's the reason why, you know, team sports we played. I was a swimmer. I was, you know, into all of these things, group singing in choirs and all of this. Why? Because, and that reflects on the people we are today.
Yeah,
I'm not saying I'm holier than thou or holier than this. I'm on a moral high horse. Nothing. If I can do it honestly, I'm saying if I can do it, I have seen so many kids that are so talented but people don't take a chance on them.
Yeah.